To deposit a check with the TD Bank mobile app, start by opening the app on your device and logging into your account. If you are not already enrolled in online banking, you will need to do so before you can use the mobile app. Once you are logged in, select the account you want to deposit the check into from the list of available accounts. Then tap the deposit check option and review the terms and conditions. You will need to accept these terms to proceed with the deposit. Next, take a clear photo of the front and back of the check, making sure to sign the back and include the phrase "for mobile deposit only." The app will guide you through the process of taking the photos, and you will know they are acceptable when you see a check mark appear on the screen. After you have taken the photos, enter the check amount and select the account you want to deposit it into. Review the deposit details to make sure everything is correct, and then tap to confirm the deposit. You will receive an email confirmation once the deposit has been submitted, and the funds will be available in your account according to the TD Bank mobile deposit policy. It is a good idea to keep the check for a few days after depositing it, in case there are any issues with the deposit. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount you can deposit using the mobile app, and some checks may not be eligible for mobile deposit. If you have any questions or concerns about depositing a check with the TD Bank mobile app, you can contact TD Bank customer service for assistance.